guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, like I say, I got 3 things only from Walmart. So I'm gonna just show you again what I got. I got me a big notebook. It has a lot of pages. Big notebook. I also got me these awesome pants that I never had before. My first time having it. And then I also got me those ones too that I actually never had before. So these 2 pants are my first time that I have. So let's go ahead and open them up. They're out. And this is the box that came. Let's go ahead and throw it away. And let's go ahead and open those ones out. I'm so excited to try both of them. Let's go ahead and throw this away. This is how it looks like. I never tried this before. I'm excited to try them. I got these ones, which are the micro pants. And also these ones, the color ones. I got me those 2 pair in my notebook. Sorry, my notebook. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. I think I might probably do a video of showing the colors of the pants. But comment down below if you want to see that for next video. I hope you have a great day. I'm trying my best to put videos. And I hope you like this video. Comment and let me know what you think. Bye.